Hello children, today we are going to study a new chapter from the book Looking Around. Chapter 10 Hu Tu Tu, Hu Tu Tu. Let's learn about the aims and objectives of the chapter to understand the importance of sports and games, to enhance the knowledge of Kabaddi, to tell there should be no discrimination on the basis of gender, caste, etc. Let's learn about the game of Kabaddi. It is an indoor game as well as outdoor game. If it is played in a stadium, it is considered as an indoor game, and if it is played in a playground, it is considered as an outdoor game. It has two teams and each team has 7 players. Let's learn about the general rules of Kabaddi. In this, one has to hold breath and continuously say Kabaddi Kabaddi. The game of Kabaddi requires concentration, attention, focus on legs, arms, and eyes. It also needs the presence of body and mind together. The game of Kabaddi is pushing, pulling, dragging, shouting, and falling. It needs coordination between legs, arms, and eyes, and it is a rough game. Let's learn about the different names of Kabaddi. Chedugudu, Hututu, Chu Kit Kit, Ha Doo Doo are some of the names which are used for the game of Kabaddi. Now let's start with the story of three sisters who are associated with this game of Kabaddi. There are three sisters who live in Mumbai. Their father died when they were young. They were very fond of playing Kabaddi. At that time, girls were not allowed to play this game. This game was only considered for males, and girls were not allowed to play this game as they had to wear the boys' costume. As their father had died at a young age, their mother and mamas, maternal uncles, brought them up. Both maternal uncles used to play Kabaddi. Almost 50 years ago, they started to play Kabaddi. At that time, parents did not let girls play games. But with the support of mother and maternal uncle, they were able to play. They encouraged the sisters to play game of Kabaddi. All sisters started playing Kabaddi, and after some time other girls also joined them. They formed a club named Kabaddi Club, which is active today also. They had to face many difficulties. Hira, the youngest sister, became a coach. Now let's learn about one more female named Karnav Maleshwari who has achieved in the field of games. She is a weightlifter. She belongs to Andhra Pradesh and her father was a police constable. She started weightlifting from the age of 12 years. She can even manage to lift weight ranging up to 130 kg. She has earned 29 medals till now in international events also. They are four sisters and all the four sisters are weightlifters. She was born on 1st June 1975. She has won awards like Arjun Award, Padma Shri Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, and she is the first Indian woman to win in Olympics. Now let's revise the concept with the help of web charts. Different names of Kabaddi: Hututu, Hututu, Chu Kit Kit, Ha Do Do, Chedu Gudu. These are some of the names which are associated with the game of Kabaddi. Karnam Malleshwari. She is a weightlifter and she belongs to state of Andhra Pradesh. She has won 29 medals in total and she can lift weight up to 130 kgs. She was born on 1st June 1975. She has also won some of the awards like Arjun Award, Padma Shri Award and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. And she is one of the first Indian women to win in Olympics. Now let's revise some of the new terms that we have learned in this chapter. Dragged. Draw or pull is known as drag. Insist. To demand that something must happen or be done is defined as insist. Strength. The quality of being physically strong is defined as strength. Argument. Any angry discussion between two or more people who disagree with each other is defined as argument. Rough, not smooth. Thank you, and I hope the concept is clear to you.